Okay. Now we'll see some practical. Okay. After this, what is free body diagram? Free body diagram meaning माहिती आहे तुम्हाला. Okay. So free body diagram means. Can anybody tell me what free body diagram means?
Sir, it is a representation of the forces acting on the body.
Representation of forces acting on the body. Is it correct? And anybody, any other student? He has told something near about 80% correct. Any other? Okay, we'll see here. Free body diagram, basically, it is representation of any body. Okay. Representation of any body. Okay. Representation of any body with free from its supports. Okay. For example, if you see here that fixed support, suppose in fixed support both the ends are fixed. Okay. Suppose if I want to represent this beam as a free body diagram, then what can I do? I need to remove these supports, correct? I need to remove these supports. Then those removed supports, those should be indicated by its reactions. That means here the technical word or technical definition is representation of any body with free from its support and representing the supports with reactions. Correct. That means we remove the supports free from support, and those supports are represented with the reactions. Correct. That is called as free body diagram. Okay. Technically, we should represent, or we should write the definition technically is correct. Okay. Initial definition, one of the students has told like that: representation of body with forces, but those forces can be applied external forces also. Okay. From that definition, it is not clear which forces are there. Those forces are nothing but what? Those are with reactions. Okay. And these reactions are not externally applied. Those are generated because of the support. Okay. That's why keep in remember this statement can be different, but the meaning should be same. Okay. You can find some another definition in the book, but the ultimate meaning of that definition should be same. It should not change. Okay. So I think some other students are also joined, who are joined afterward, or who are remaining to say hi in the chat box. He can say, because I want to keep record of attendance. Okay. ज्या स्टुडंट्सनी चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये हाय नाही म्हटलेलं त्यांनी म्हणा, मला सेंड करा, जस्ट पिंग करा, कारण ते मी अटेंडन्स रिकव्हर करतो त्यातून. ओके. ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट लेक्चर, लास्ट सेशन आता थोड्या वेळापूर्वी 15 जणांनी केलं होतं, आता इथं 17 दिसतात. ओके. सो I think you got what is free body diagram. Now, why this free body diagram is required? why this free body diagram is required. Can anybody tell that? Why we need to study free body diagrams?
Because sir,
Hmm.
we have to see where forces and reactions are acting separately.
Okay, correct. So we can like this way. Your answer is correct. So free body diagram is basically required for analysis of forces. Correct. What are the forces are acting all over the bodies? Correct. And ultimately we can see whether the structure is or structure or any body that is in equilibrium or not. Correct. All the forces or summation of reactions and forces that should be zero to have the body in equilibrium. Correct. That's why this analysis of free body or understanding of the free body is very important. And to analyze the free body diagram, we should clearly know the supports and what reactions are present at each support. Correct. Now we'll see. Otherwise, I will show you. I will draw one diagram here. See, suppose if I draw on a beam which is supported like a simply supported, okay, like this way. And suppose there are loads, okay, any random loads is acting or any varying load is acting like this way. Okay, now suppose here initially one end is fixed, other is, suppose it's rolling. If I want to remove these two supports, this and this, how I can do that? Just at this fixed support, I will have vertical, horizontal and one moment. And at this support, I will have vertical and horizontal force. Okay, like this way. So this is called free body diagram with the beam. Just replace these supports with reactions. Okay. So now we'll see some practical applications. Okay, where this free body diagram is means it is applicable, or where we can see the structures where we need to analyze the structure using free body diagram. Suppose here it is in this diagram. See here there is one image that it's like a street lamp. Okay, there is some support is there, and at this end the light is there. Okay, now suppose if we want to draw the free body diagram for this structure, first we have to think what type of whether we can consider whole this part as a one single beam, and this weight of light, can we consider this as a force? Okay, and this pole we can consider as a support. Now can you tell me in this what type of support is there in this image for this street light?
Fixed.
Whether
Fixed support.
it is fixed support. Okay, because this street lamp, it is fixed to this pole, so this support will be fixed support. Okay, so here in the next diagram we have shown like this way. The pole, see, this is practical structure. That structure converted into concept. That means our beam, here it is support and this is a beam, and this weight or weight of this lamp we have replaced by with force. Now, to draw the free body diagram for this, what we can do? I have to remove this support. So this is fixed, correct? So here, one vertical reaction is there and support is there. But will there be a horizontal reaction here at this support? If you are saying this is fixed support, so will there be a horizontal reaction for this particular problem? असेल का तिथं हॉरिझॉन्टल किंवा असली तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल?
व्हॅल्यू 0 येईल का?
त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय?
कारण की तो 0.
यस. का आता व्हॅल्यू 0 काय येईल?
कारण की तो फिक्स्ड आहे ना एकच पॉइंटला.
ओके.
त्याला रिएक्शन कुठली ऍड होत नाहीये, ऍक्ट होत नाहीये.
ओके. आता याच्यामध्ये एक गोष्ट समजून घ्या. इथं ज्या रिएक्शन्स आहेत त्या कुणामुळे तयार होत आहेत? या लोडमुळे, बरोबर. जर लोडच काही नसेल तर त्या रिएक्शन्स तयार होतील का? नाहीत होणार. ओके. These reactions, this moment and this vertical reaction, these are derivatives or these are generated because of this load which is indicated by red arrow, correct? जर आणि हा जर स्ट्रेट लॅम्पचा जो सपोर्ट आहे किंवा जो स्ट्रक्चर आहे हे जर इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये राहण्यासाठी ह्या स्ट्रक्चरवर आपल्याला रिएक्शन्स अप्लाय करावं लागतील, बरोबर का? हा 30 न्यूटन जो काही लोड आहे that is acting here at this end. If we show only this load, will there be any equilibrium in this beam? No. To make that equilibrium, we have to represent the support reactions here, correct? Now, to balance this vertical force, there should be equal and opposite direction, and that force should be acting at this point. But because of this vertical load or weight of lamp, there will be moment also. This 30 into this whatever distance is there, and that moment is in this direction, clockwise, barabar. So to balance that moment, the anti-clockwise moment is shown here. Because here the horizontal load is not applied, so there will not be any horizontal reaction here. Okay, that's why even if at fixed support 3 reactions are present, but again keep in mind this support is fixed. There are 3 reactions here, but that value of that horizontal reaction is 0. That's why it is not shown here. Okay, if somebody asked you how many reactions will be present at this end, so your technical answer should be 3, but horizontal reactions value is 0. That's why it is not shown here. Okay, अलग लक्षात?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if we'll see another example. Suppose any tall structure is there. Okay, that can be any monument, that can be statue, vertical long statue, or that can be tower. Okay, so this is image, and if we want to do analysis on this structure, so we have to convert this image into technical problem, mathematical problem, correct? So first we have to think of that. What we can think here, the structure is vertical, so I can draw the vertical line representing the structure as a column. Then we need to see what are the loads are acting on this body. Okay, and on top of this image we can see here some spherical kind of structure is there, so that load we have shown here. Then at the bottom it is fixed, correct? Now here you can see there are 3 reactions. One is horizontal, another is vertical, and there will be moment. It is shown here. Now this concept is transformed into our mechanical problem. That structure is represented by a line which is called as column. Now at the end, at the support here, see here, only vertical reaction is shown, because if it is assumed that the load from the top is acting axially, correct? If the load is acting exactly through the axis, will there be moment? त्याच्यामध्ये मोमेंट तयार होईल का अशा स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये? नाही होणार. टेक्निकली सपोर्ट फिक्स आहे म्हणून इथं आपण काय 3 रिएक्शन्स दाखवलेले आहेत, पण इथं मोमेंट आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल रिएक्शनची व्हॅल्यू इथं काय 0 आहे. If those values are zeros, then there is no need to show those quantities here, correct? So this problem we can see like this way. Now we can easily analyze what is how much strength this structure has, or what will be the, whatever dimensions we have to calculate, we can calculate by using this analysis in this problem. Okay, so there are a lot of practical implications or applications of these concepts. Before that, and to solve these practical problems, we should know these fundamental concepts: supports, their reactions, and how to transform this practical problem into mathematical problem. Once you understand this, then other part is what part is remaining now? Analysis. Then the first thing is, now here, suppose if I want to ask you, find the value of Fy here. So what the value of Fy will be?
Minus 20 kilonewton.
Yeah, minus 20 kilonewton. We can say directly here 20, because if we representing downward force as positive, then upward should be negative. Okay, like this way. Means now here, what equation we have used to solve the problem, this problem, or to calculate this reaction? The equilibrium equations, correct? Because here only vertical direction, only one equation is, or only one reaction is there in the one direction. That's why we have applied here only sigma Fy is equal to 0. By using that, we got this